The Southern Cross InterCity 500 electric high-speed passenger unit represents a new era of modern railway transportation, designed not only to provide fast travel but also to redefine what comfort, engineering excellence, and national prestige truly mean in the world of passenger rail systems. This train is envisioned as a symbol of innovation, a result of deep technological research combined with the latest advancements in aerodynamics, electric propulsion, passenger experience design, and environmental sustainability. Its aerodynamic profile is inspired by the flow of air over high-performance aircraft, giving it an efficient, sleek shape that minimizes drag while maximizing stability at high speed. The front head structure features a gently tapered nose that channels air around the body smoothly, reducing turbulence and allowing the train to glide effortlessly even at extreme speeds. The official color scheme, pure white complemented by deep, rich royal blue accents, reflects a premium character, blending elegance with purposeful engineering and presenting the unit as a modern icon that stands proud in any showroom, exhibition hall, or operational environment. The Southern Cross InterCity 500 is imagined not merely as a vehicle but as a moving architectural space where passengers travel not just from one location to another but through an experience shaped by comfort, luxury, and efficiency. Inside, the passenger cabin has been crafted to produce a sense of openness, tranquility, and elevated refinement. The wide panoramic windows allow natural light to pour into the carriage, creating a spacious environment that connects travelers visually with the landscapes passing outside. The seating is designed with ergonomic comfort in mind, constructed using premium materials and arranged to provide generous legroom and reclining support. Soft LED lighting runs along the ceiling edges, offering warm illumination that avoids glare and eye strain. Whether someone is traveling for business or for personal trips, the cabin provides a restful atmosphere ideal for reading, working, or simply enjoying the journey. Advanced climate control systems automatically balance temperature and ventilation to maintain comfort in all seasons, and the train's suspension systems help absorb track vibration, ensuring a smooth ride free from discomfort and noise. In first-class areas, seats may include personal digital screens, wireless charging surfaces, folding tables, and luxurious upholstery that resembles executive-class airplane seating. Overall, the interior layout of the Southern Cross InterCity 500 represents the union of luxury and function, making every passenger feel valued and at ease throughout the journey. Technologically, the Southern Cross InterCity 500 features an advanced electric propulsion system powered by high-capacity traction motors and energy-efficient onboard systems that significantly reduce environmental impact compared to diesel-powered intercity trains. The train draws power through overhead electric lines and converts it efficiently with minimal energy loss, enabling faster acceleration, smoother braking, and reliable operational consistency. The braking system combines regenerative braking, which recaptures and reuses kinetic energy, with high-performance disc braking to ensure safety at all speeds. Under the floor, the train's bogie assemblies are engineered for both durability and precision, contributing to its stability through curves and straight tracks alike. Sensors throughout the train constantly monitor temperature, vibration, wheel alignment, and electrical systems, sending diagnostic data to onboard and off-board maintenance teams in real time for predictive servicing and long-term reliability. The driver cabin, or cockpit, is built with a clean and futuristic layout, featuring touch panel controls, integrated monitoring screens, and a panoramic forward window that gives the operator an unobstructed field of vision. Every control is positioned carefully to maximize ease of use and minimize operator fatigue, making the train not only technologically advanced but also very human-centered in its user interface approach. The manufacturing process of the Southern Cross InterCity 500 is as impressive as the final product itself. Beginning with lightweight, high-strength alloys formed into the main body shell, robotic welding machines ensure structural consistency and precision. The body is then sanded, sealed, and prepared for paint application inside a climate-controlled spray hull where automated systems apply the signature white and royal blue layers, ensuring perfect smoothness and color uniformity. Once the exterior is complete, mechanical systems such as traction motors, brake units, compressors, and power electronics are installed by specialized engineers. Following this, the interior is assembled with careful attention to detail. Floors are laid, walls are fitted, seats installed, and lighting systems wired. Each section undergoes multiple stages of inspection to meet rigorous safety and performance standards. Finally, the train is brought to a testing facility where every system, from acceleration to braking, door controls to digital navigation interfaces, is evaluated under real-world conditions. Noise levels, vibrations, and power draw are measured precisely to ensure the unit delivers not only its promised performance but also long-term reliability. The Southern Cross InterCity 500 is envisioned as a train capable of linking major cities, connecting communities, and supporting national development strategies focused on sustainable mobility. In many countries, rail networks act as economic lifelines, enabling trade, tourism, academic exchange, job growth, and cultural interaction. A high-speed unit such as this strengthens these connections by reducing travel time, increasing accessibility, and making long-distance journeys more enjoyable and affordable. Additionally, because it runs on electricity, it contributes to national emissions reduction goals by lowering overall carbon output compared to road or air travel. As governments continue to invest in greener infrastructure and modern transportation systems, trains like the Southern Cross InterCity 500 fit perfectly into the vision of a cleaner, faster, smarter future. Whether showcased in a bright white English-style luxury showroom, celebrated in a launch ceremony with dignitaries and industry leaders present, or placed into daily operational service connecting stations across a region, the train stands as a proud tribute to engineering excellence and forward-thinking design. Ultimately, the Southern Cross InterCity 500 symbolizes progression. It is a celebration of what is possible when innovation, craftsmanship, and ambition come together with a shared purpose, to elevate the travel experience and improve the way people move through the world. From its aerodynamic silhouette that cuts through the air gracefully to its quiet and comfortable interior that cushions passengers in a refined atmosphere, everything about this train communicates sophistication, confidence, and future-ready potential. It promises not only a journey but a statement that transportation can be both fast and beautiful, efficient and luxurious, technologically advanced and deeply human-centered. It is more than a train, it is a step toward the future of mobility, a future where travel is no longer merely about reaching a destination but about experiencing motion with elegance, comfort, and pride.